Hi everyone, FIBA Asia Cup 2025 update. So we're recording this video today, Sunday, August 17, around 2:56 a.m. Manila time. It appears most of the results are in, and based from the FIBA Asia Cup website, we're going to have New Zealand and Iran going head to head for the third spot or third place. So that's going to be August 17, 2025, 7 p.m. So in Manila time, this is Sunday, August 17, 2025. Yes, 7 p.m. Manila time. Let's try to have a look what happened. So New Zealand. Okay, so New Zealand versus Lebanon. New Zealand is able to beat Lebanon during the quarterfinals. Okay, so only a 4 point difference on the final score. On the other hand, during the semifinals, New Zealand battled China and 84-98. Okay, so 14 points. China beats New Zealand by 14 points. Hmm. So China must be a stronger team at present. And then we can see here on the top for the semi-final round, Australia beats Iran with a commanding 92 to 48 lead. Okay. So, so during the semifinals, guys, Australia beats Iran 92 to 48. Okay. In fairness with our Gilas Pilipinas, even though Australia beats us with a uh, 24 points margin, it's better compared to Iran because they lost against Australia by uh, 44 points. 44 points. Almost 50. Wow. Okay. So, with that, this means that we're expecting, obviously, the finals for the FIBA Asia Cup 2025 will be between the defending champions, Australia, and they're going against China. Okay, so that's going to be on August 18, 2025, Monday, at 12 a.m. Manila time. Okay, feel free to comment your thoughts and let's continue our conversation from there. Thank you.